To anyone who watched my tool battle video, I do apologize for it being sideways. I don't know what happened when he knocked that down. Anyways, for Fridays, got something in the mail today. We're going to do Work Pro, Impact, and Drill versus whatever's in this box. Turn it right side up. What could it be? The Hyper Tough. See what we got here. Ooh. So there you go, there's the drill. Pretty standard. 1 speed. $20 volts. Charger in the Black & Decker style. Last but not least, the Impact. Curious to see how this looks. Oh, yeah, that's right. I bought the more than just an Impact. Look at that. She is a beaut. You never know, it might impress. Can't be too quick to judge. The last thing it comes with, LED light. Huh. Could have sworn I ordered another battery. Interesting. There's a little clip there to maybe hang. I gotta tell you, I don't know what to expect. I really don't. Anyways, thanks for watching. Sorry about the tool battle video. If you just flip your phone around in a certain way, it will maybe work. I'm excited for this tool battle. Work Pro versus Hyper Tough. See you Friday. Thanks for watching.